Good morning, everybody. My name is Vihaan. I study digital. My story name is Beauty the Best Policy. Once there was a small family where the father and his sister. His sister used to fight about each other. When the father saw the fight, he stood very well. One day, the father got an idea. He decided to call a meeting. He called his side and children. The bundle stick in the hand. The father started to break the bundle stick. Already and very hard, but he could not succeed. The fairly made him bundle stick. Next, the father opened the bundle stick. And each side a secret stick. And other side to break the stick. Each time every side and to break the stick. The father explained to the side that if all else seems together like the bundle stick, we always seem strong and no one is break you or is a greatest painter or singer. Then anyone will break you. All these the children and also some mistake and promise to the father that they will always stay important. The moral of the story